now in downtown Vancouver, a youth climate action happening right now with rock star Greta Thunberg expected to speak there. You can see things going on right now. We apologize for some of these camera shots. Our camera guy wasn't entirely sure he was going live there, but you can see just the amount of young people there. It is a pro-D day for a lot of people as we have multiple cameras. You can see a very windy day in downtown Vancouver. This just happening in front of the art gallery. I mentioned Greta Thunberg is in town. She is sort of leading the student-led rally happening right now. It really is incredible to see so many young people, and we have multiple cameras there. We will have full coverage throughout the day here on BC1 and on Global. That is Neetu Garcha reporting in front of the art gallery. BC is battening down the hatches with some heavy winds hitting the south coast today. Much of the coast under a special weather statement with major winds expected to hammer the region. Some areas can expect gusts of up to 90 kilometers an hour. It gets heavier the further north you go.
1 o'clock sailings on the Tuwasa to Swartz Bay route, and the 1 o'clock sailing from Horseshoe Bay to Departure Bay is also cancelled. Now, if you are taking a ferry today, be sure to check BC Ferries' website for the latest conditions.